Oh, we got a package. The mower is came.
It's definitely not my squishy. Because it's hard.
20-volt 40-inch cordless lawn mower. 20 volt. So let's open this and let's see if this is need assemble. Not sure. This has a 2 years warranty there. So that's good. So I can mow my yard is. I'm not sure what is this. Oh, this is catcher, grass catcher. Yeah, this is made assemble. So I'm gonna put this one here. And there is the battery charger. And this can charge. That's awesome. This is the hanger. This is the main part. So there's another. Yeah, need lights assemble. The box is useful for the three cuties. Jack inside. And snow and Jackie. So that's their box porch. Uh-oh, snow went out. Okay, it's Jackie and Jack. Jackie and Jack. Okay, now kind of the gas or battery, release battery for how to. So let's see. So there is a manual here. So the manual is okay. Okay, this is the cordless lawn mower. Grass collection bag is right there. There's a grass collection bag. And then grass collection bag support rod is right there. And then upper handle, lower handle is right there. Lower under screw is spinner screw, cable screw, cable clips, battery chargers is right there. Manual registration, so that's all with it. So let me start this. This one is a battery charger. Older. I think this one is right here. Wow, this is hard.
I know, you need to put a lot of force in there, right? Jack? Right, Jack? Jack said yes. I have to put a lot of force. There we go. Hi, Mom. Look. Mom, look. Straight. Look, Mom. Look. I'm in a house.
Yeah.
It's not hot. It's cold. Perfect. We
There
haven't
you
got
go.
room for Jack in the big room to hold.
There you go.
Now, why did you knock it over? Jack knocked it over. You go.
I think I need your help there.
Me?
Yes, you. So there is the tools here. Came with it. Hold on a minute.
So we don't have to buy tools for my house. Remember, you're gonna make me a wood house?
That's not enough big here. Okay, so I think this one is adjustment.
Oh, attachment?
Adjust. You can adjust if you're tall. Move this one here. There's just 2 holes. Okay. So there is a 2 holes right here. This is adjustment.
Oh.
If you're a tall person, you can move right here, but I'm short, so I'm gonna just use the short adjustment.
Mom, I can do it for you. I'm short, so this is the perfect size.
And then attach that.
Mom,
I'm
this
just gonna
one
put
is
that
good
right now right here.
because
And there's
Okay, can I go now?
yeah.
Thanks. Yeah,
It's easy to tie and untie.
that looks fun. This one is so wiggly.
Yeah, I need to tie that.
I got it. This?
No, you untie it.
Oh, let me do it.
You unscrew it.
I got it. This way. Tight.
Okay, that's it. Let me do it.
Okay, back to me.
It's kind of solid. The blade is solid metal, I think. Yeah, with plastic.
Okay, good. He's not moving anymore. Right?
So this one is like a slot right here. They're right here. You get to put it there. So both of them need to attach. It's hard, huh?
Mom,
What?
what time is it?
There. So there you go. So this is like a key. Put that there, right there, and put that there. And
That's the look that I like.
this one is for screwdriver. A screw. Screw this one. For the handle, I need the tools for this. The wheels is plastic, so it's like almost plastic. The part is almost plastic. The handle is only not plastic, and I think it is in the blade on the bottom. But most of the part is plastic. So you need a screwdriver for this.
Told you with
This
the charger.
is the charger. So over here, charge that here. Hi, Jack. Red. Red. That's mean is
Ready to go?
need to be charged.
Is it red?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, where's the
Green
red?
to yellow, more than 60% charge. My backyard is has a thick, long grass, and I had to put some that is spray for insect because there's too many mosquito at my backyard, and I had to put cover my face. If I could cover entire my face, I will do that, because it's the when I'm mowing, there is a small pieces of grass or dust towards on my face, like flashing towards my face. That one is actually that I did not put it secure. That's why the grass bag is fell off. So it's easy to do it if you can hang of it. The first time, that is my first, actually second time I do that is I having a hard time to put the bag, but when you hang of it, it's easy to put it, and just make sure it's secure for it won't fall off. I really like it compared to my old one. My old one is you have to pull the triggers to turn on the mower, and I need a gasoline for that. But this one is I don't have to worry about the gasoline at all, and pull any the string, you have to pull it. This one I don't have to do that. You just need to press that circle small buttons there on that handle, and then press it towards you, and then there you go, it's turned on, and then there you go, it's just ready to go and mow it, push it front, and I pull it back. That's what I do, pull it back, I can get some grass. You can see my grass is really thick and long. I have not mowed for more than a month because of my old mower is broke down. So that's why I get this new mower, and I'm really happy with it. I will put the link on this video on Amazon. You can buy this on Amazon, so then you can just click that and see how much is item, and I will check later if really how much the price. So it said it's for the small yard. I think this is will very most affected for the small yard. I have like a medium large. It took me like more than 2 days to do it. Actually, I didn't do it whole day, but I had to stop because I need to charge. I need to charge, and then when I'm charging, I need to do something, and I got busy and I forgot. So in the next morning, I had to do it again when it's not really hot. I like to do it in the morning or late afternoon, because I don't really want that dealing with the very hot sun. And this one is the second day. You see the different look that yard compare the other earlier is a lot better. You say that how much is is I done the first day. So this is my second day. So I think I did this afternoon, like the sun is down already. That's what I did. So Jackie's will try to do the mow, and you can see here she can do it, but she's having a really hard time because it's too high for her, and there's no more adjust to adjust. This is only like two adjustment, like a very tall person or the shorter person, but for the kids I don't think there's nothing to adjust more. So yeah, it start easily, no more falling that string, handle is padded, and your hand doesn't get cramp from holding the lever down while mowing. Charges quickly. I haven't timed the charge versus run time because my lawn was tall with lots of weeds, so I had to mow slowly. As it was, 2 hours charge lasted 15 minutes in that hay of lawn. That's not typically or fair comparison though. The other plus, this is so light. My 5-year-old can mow using this mower, but just a little too high for her. So this is good for a small yard, and also this will work for older people. People has a back problem can use this mower. Tens or for anybody who want to use light mower and no gas at all. I really love that part. No, you don't have to buy gas or put the gas, and like I said, you don't have to pull that string.